Cheers, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of my pathetic life as a homeowner. I'm getting tired of saying that, but it's kind of the case. Anyways, it's always progress versus maintenance projects. I actually do have a progressive project for once, and I didn't know if I was going to make a video about it, but I said, fuck it, you know what? Somebody's going to go through this, because if I'm doing it, somebody else is probably going to do it too. So, long story short, we got a dishwasher here. The dishwasher is old, and the springs for the door busted, and rather than trying to fix that, the decision was made to get rid of this thing. So we got a new dishwasher coming today, but one of the things was, should we pay for somebody to remove and install the dishwasher? And knowing me, being a cheap piece of shit, I decided to take on this battle myself. So what we're gonna do right now is figure out how to take this thing apart. I have not taken out a dishwasher before, so this is all gonna be a learning challenge for me, and hopefully you guys learn from it too. So let's get at it. Cheers. All right. First thing, well, obviously we know that it's got electricity, it needs water, and it needs drain. So we gotta I'm assuming that's all we're gonna deal with is disconnect 3 things, and I'm gonna take this panel off the bottom. One screw there. One screw there, and the panel should come out. All right, what do we got here? We got a copper line here. I don't know if you're gonna see that, but there's a copper line here. I'm assuming that's the water hookup. And we got a box here. I'm assuming that's the electrical hookup. Let me just open it up. I haven't hit the breaker yet. That's gonna be the next step. Come on. Now I don't know how all these dishwashers are the same. Again, I've not done this before, but why is this one so fucking tricky? There we go. All right, that's our electrical. All right. Next step, make our way to the panel. Where the hell is the dishwasher? Dishwasher, right here. Turn that off. No power to the dishwasher. While we're here, I'm gonna grab this electrical meter, which will tell me if I have power. Nothing's beeping, so I'm assuming we're off. Let's rip this out. See what we got to work with here. Obviously 3 nuts, take those off. All right. That looks to me like we are disconnected power-wise. And this is the house power. Okay, so that goes way the hell back there. Next is the water. So we gotta turn the water off, obviously. And I kind of already visualized which one goes to the dishwasher, and it's this one. So let's turn you off. Bam. That should be off now. And then we gotta disconnect the water here. And I hate how it's copper, it's so stupid. This is a bit of a pain in the ass to disconnect. I don't have a whole lot of room to work with here. Let's try this way. It's moving. There we go. Disconnected. I don't like this type of connection, but it is what it is. This copper looks stupid. But, all right. The last thing is the drainage, and I'm assuming the drainage is somewhere that I can't reach right now. But at this point, I should be able to slide this fucking thing out. Oh yeah, one more thing. That's gonna be a bracket. There's supposed to be 2 brackets here. One of them broke already. So I just gotta unscrew this. We should be good to go. Might be a better view for you here. Look away. There's the spring. Hey. Oh no, so this is what's wrong with this one. The spring broke, so the door's all fucked up. This one broke too. Mess. This is the drain line. So to me, it looks like I should do it at the drain here. I'm wondering if I should do that. So the drain line goes all the way to my garburator, goes right here. I'm just debating whether I disconnect here or leave it and make a call to disconnect here. Let me ponder this through. So I ended up just hacking it, just cut it right off. I don't know if that was the greatest thing to do, but we'll see what happens when the new dishwasher comes in. There you have it, folks. The dishwasher is out, and I just saved myself $200. I think when we ordered the dishwasher, there was a install and rip out quote, and I think that was $200. So there you go. I'm a cheap SOB. You're probably a cheap SOB. It was pretty straightforward, and I saved myself some money. So till next time, cheers.